보안검색대에서 듣게 될 표현.
Could you take off your coat, please?
코트를 벗어주시겠습니까?
Could you take off your coat, please? Are you carrying any liquids?
액체류를 가지고 계십니까?
Are you carrying any liquids? Could you put any metallic objects into the tray?
금속 제품은 모두 트레이 위에 올려놔 주시겠습니까?
Could you put any metallic objects into the tray? Please empty your pockets.
주머니를 비워주시기 바랍니다.
Please empty your pockets. I'm afraid you can't take that through.
죄송하지만 그 물건은 가져가실 수 없습니다.
I'm afraid you can't take that through.
비행기에서 듣게 될 표현.
What's your seat number?
자리 번호가 어떻게 되시나요?
What's your seat number? Could you please put that in the overhead locker?
그건 머리 위 락커에 넣어주시겠어요?
Could you please put that in the overhead locker? Please turn off all mobile phones and electronic devices.
핸드폰과 전자장비를 모두 꺼주시기 바랍니다.
Please turn off all mobile phones and electronic devices. Would you like any food or refreshments?
음식이나 다과가 필요하실까요?
Would you like any food or refreshments? We will be landing in about 10 minutes.
약 10분 후 착륙할 예정입니다.
We will be landing in about 10 minutes.